Hi there, my name's Amy. I'm a horticulturalist here at the Greenery Garden and Home, and today I'm going to be making a succulent bowl, and I thought I would show you all how I do that. So it's a pretty simple process. All you really need is your selection of succulents like I've got here, your succulent bowl, your cacti and succulent mix, and I like to put something decorative on top like these beautiful stones or pebbles. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to protect myself from the potting mix by putting on this mask. That just protects from nasty bacteria that can be in the potting mix bags. And first of all, I'm going to grab my pot and I'm going to start filling it up with just a nice little layer in the pot there. And I'm going to start with the largest succulents first in the center of the pot. And then work my way out from there. So planting some medium size in next to those guys and just filling it in as I go. Now I've chosen bright green succulents for this pot, but you can put whatever you like. You can mix the colors or you can have just silver succulents. There's so many different types and it's really great to be creative with them. And I'm just filling in really until I like what I see and I feel like it's full enough. I like to leave a little bit of empty soil space so that when I fill it up at the end with some pebbles, you can kind of see the pebbles and it looks nice and decorative. The last bit I'm going to do here is add some really short little tiny ones right on the edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these little guys here in the side and I'm just going to put a cascading succulent on the side so it sort of falls over and has something cascading over the side for a bit of interest. Now as I go I'm sort of pushing the succulents in, making sure they're nice and secure. They're pretty brittle and sometimes their leaves can fall off really easily, so we're just being really careful. And I think I'm done. So the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to add my decorative pebbles. I've got these lovely little white stones here and I'm pretty much just going to fill in the gaps until I fill it up and it looks nice. And you've probably noticed that I've got all the succulents pretty close together and you can afford to do that really, and then as they get larger you can repot them and separate them. So I'm just filling in all of where the potting mix is with the pebbles, and this top layer here with the pebbles is just really a decorative thing. It can also help with the water flow to make sure that the succulents aren't sitting in too much water. They don't really like to be kept too wet. And I'm pretty happy with that. This last part, I'm just going to arrange them how I like them. And there we have it. I've finished the succulent bowl. So as I said, these are all the beautiful green succulents that I've put together. And I've just got this beautiful cascading plant and added the taller ones in the center here and sort of just pushed them together so that it's sort of looking nice. You can get really creative with your succulent bowls. They're really fun plants to play around with. Here's one that I created earlier and I've just mixed the colors and the textures together. I've got a fun little basket here with some cascading plants and some upright plants. And a great service that we have here at the Greenery is a potting up service. So you can select your plants and your pots and we can put them all together for you. Come and Nancy is here at the Greenery Garden Home. We're open 6.5 days a week, and one of our friendly staff can help you create your very own succulent pot. Thank you for watching.